Good morning, Mom. The sun is very bright.
Good morning, Toby. I am so happy today.
Mom, why are you smiling so much?
Today we visit Grandma and Grandpa in the countryside.
The countryside sounds fun. Is there a farm?
Yes, it is where people grow plants near nature.
Can I bring my small bag for my things?
Yes, but do not pack too many toys.
Okay, I promise. I will bring one toy. I want to show Grandma.
That is a good idea. Grandma will be happy.
Okay, my special toy is inside now.
Water bottles, snacks, and jackets are ready.
Can we take apples for the car ride?
Yes, take one apple for your trip.
This apple tastes very fresh.
Good morning, team. Are you ready to go?
Dad, I am ready. Let us go now.
All right, buddy, let's go.
Yay, I can't wait.
Put on your shoes, Toby. We leave soon.
Shoes on. I am ready in 10 seconds.
Great. Everyone, let us start our trip.
Toby, please wear your seatbelt properly.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
All right, ready to go?
Click. My seatbelt is tight and safe. I see tall buildings and many shops now.
Yes, we are still in the city now.
Dad, the road looks different today. Why?
We are leaving the city and going to the countryside.
Wow, I see many trees and open land.
The countryside feels wide and open, Toby.
That is a field. Farmers grow food there.
Farmers work hard so we can eat food.
Yes, we should always be thankful for farmers.
Look, Mom, I can see a river.
Yes, and we must drive slowly on this road.
The air smells clean. I like it here.
Nature feels close in the countryside, Toby.
Dad, the sign says Farm Road. Wow!
Yes, we are getting very close now.
I cannot wait to see Grandma and Grandpa.
Hello, my family. I am so glad you came.
Hello, Grandma Rose. I missed you so much.
Oh, my sweet Toby, I missed you too.
I missed you too, Toby. You are bigger now.
Hello, Toby. Welcome back to the farm.
Hello, Grandpa Henry. I am happy to be here.
Grandma Rose, Grandpa Henry, we brought some snacks for tonight.
Thank you for having us. We are excited.
I'm so glad you're here, Emma. Tonight we can have a nice barbecue outside.
Barbecue sounds amazing. Can I help later?
Yes, you can help. First, meet the animals.
Grandma, what is that funny sound?
That is a chicken. She lives here with us.
Why is the chicken talking so loud?
She is calling her friends for food.
Here you go. This is chicken food, Toby.
Thanks, Grandma Rose.
You're welcome, dear.
Okay, but the chickens look very fast.
Do not worry, they are just hungry.
Oh no! They are coming to me!
They like you, Toby. You are their favorite.
Grandpa, what animals are those in mud?
Those are pigs. They love to eat a lot.
Toby, you are making animal friends today.
Wow, that animal is very big. Is it a cow?
Yes, she is a cow. She is very gentle.
Her eyes look kind. I am not scared now. Grandpa, do you feed animals every day?
Yes, Toby, every single day. It's important for them. Yes, every morning and every afternoon, Toby.
Farm life looks busy, but very interesting.
Animals are part of our family here.
Toby, smile! This is a great farm picture.
Dad, take a picture with the chickens too.
You have many photos today, Toby.
I know, this one will be great. Grandpa, what is that green place over there?
That's our vegetable garden, Toby. Let's go take a look.
Wow, let's go.
This is our vegetable garden for our meals.
I see many green plants. They look healthy.
They grow well because soil is good here.
Water helps plants grow strong, Toby.
So, soil and water help plants grow well. Grandpa, can I help water the plants today? Like this, Grandpa?
Yes, but do it slowly and carefully, Toby.
I will pour slowly. I do not want to spill.
Good job, Toby. You are helping the farm.
I feel proud because I am doing farm work.
Toby, do you see the small tomatoes growing?
Yes, tiny tomatoes. They look like little red balls.
These vegetables are fresh because they are homegrown.
Mom, food from the farm smells clean.
Yes, farm vegetables taste better and fresher.
I can carry this small basket for you.
Thank you, Toby. That's very kind.
Thank you, Toby. You are very helpful today.
It is so quiet here. I hear no cars.
Yes, countryside life is slower and calmer.
Mom, the sky is orange now. The sun is going down.
This is sunset time. The farm looks beautiful.
This light is soft. It makes everything pretty.
I feel calm. The farm is peaceful for my mind.
Did you enjoy the farm today, Toby?
Yes, I learned many new things about farms. Grandma, I feel sad because we are leaving.
I know, dear, but we'll always have these memories. You can come again anytime. This is your second home.
Thank you, Grandma Rose. Thank you, Grandpa. I love your animals and garden.
You did great today. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Grandpa.
We will come back soon, Toby. Do not worry.
Get in, Toby. Tell us your favorite part.
My favorite part was feeding the chickens.
Goodbye, Toby. Please visit again soon.
Goodbye, Grandma. I will come back soon.